Welcome to CoreX Robotics, where visionary technology and intelligent engineering meet to shape the future of global industry. CoreX is not just a robotics company, it's a redefinition of industrial intelligence. We are building integrated systems that combine automation, AI, and infrastructure into a unified ecosystem. At CoreX, we believe that machines should not only perform, but understand. We're creating intelligent robotic systems that adapt, evolve, and learn, pushing the boundaries of industrial automation. Founded by a team of globally seasoned experts in automation and robotics, CoreX Robotics stands on over 2 decades of technical mastery and cross-continental execution. From high-rise elevator systems to next-gen AI-driven machinery, our journey reflects a relentless pursuit of precision, reliability, and breakthrough innovation. Today, that legacy fuels every CoreX solution. CoreX Robotics bridges concept and reality, transforming intelligent designs into tangible production. With precision-engineered systems, we enable industrial automation that is live, proven, and scalable. At CoreX, we don't just solve problems, we engineer solutions that scale. From unpredictable industrial demands to mission-critical environments, our systems deliver precision, adaptability, and real-time intelligence. We design not for today's needs, but for tomorrow's complexity. From Siemens and KUKA integrated robotics to edge AI platforms and automated visual inspection systems, our solutions are engineered to perform, adapt, and endure. We serve mission-critical sectors, including governments, public infrastructure, OEMs, advanced manufacturing, smart factories, healthcare systems, and innovation-driven enterprises. CoreX delivers secure, scalable, and intelligent solutions tailored to their needs. CoreX develops high-precision platforms designed to operate seamlessly across national and critical sectors. From digital infrastructure to industrial automation, our solutions deliver unmatched scalability and surgical accuracy, where failure is not an option. Our mission is clear: create intelligent ecosystems that scale globally while serving local precision. We build not just to grow, but to lead. From clean energy to logistics, aerospace to defense, we drive transformation with real-world impact. What sets us apart is applied intelligence, the ability to transform complex data into smart, real-world decisions. We do not believe in off-the-shelf tools. Every CoreX solution is born from problem-first thinking, deeply customized, and resilient by design. Our founders' engineering DNA anchors every system we deploy. If you are a visionary, if you lead with purpose, and if you believe in redesigning what machines, intelligence, and humans can achieve together, then we are already aligned. CoreX Robotics, designed to inspire, built to endure. Connect with us to redefine what's possible in robotics and automation.